Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If your back camera not working on your Android phone, don't worry about it. In this video, I will tell you how to fix this problem. So keep the video till the end and follow my steps to fix this problem. First, long press on your camera app and go to the app info. Force stop your camera and restart your device. Long press on the power button and click on the restart. After restarting, check the camera. If the error is persist, then again long press on the camera app and go to the app info and click on the permissions and check all permissions are allowed. Click on the camera and check allow only when using the app. This option is tick and check all the option allow. After doing this, check your problem. If it is persist, then again click on the storage and cache and clear here cache and storage. After clearing cache and storage, check your problem. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.